All right, the highlights from GreatStockPicks.com from our live trading chat room on October 3rd. Some pretty good calls today, pretty good profits. UNXL had that big move yesterday. Well, today we had a small gap up and then a lower high. These are 5-minute candles. I just called it over this red candle right here. There's the opening high and then that red candle right there. I called it over that high. So 2020 with a stop right below $20. And right there we get the high of day, we get the new highs, and we run all the way up near yesterday's high. We get a quick 15-minute move from 2020 to 2082. Great place to sell some right at yesterday's high. So, I mean, it was a nice little trade. I also called RMTI over 12. It had this base all day after that gap up yesterday. So I called it a 1201. Worst case stop, 1190, so only 11 cents risk. And right there's the trigger. And the rest of the day, it kind of ran up to 12. Bear with me, I'm not sure. It went to 1246. Not too bad on very tight stop. OMER, crazy strong on the daily. I like the fact that these are 5-minute candles. I like the fact that it hit $12 right there on that 5-minute candle. Sellers came in, hit $12 again there, and sellers came in. That's a pretty good setup on a strong stock if you get over this area now for a possible big move. So I literally called it at 1205. I wanted to make it come cleanly through 12. Worst case stop, 1190, so 15 cents risk. There's the trigger. Next thing you know, we're lighting up the new highs ticker, and that thing was off to the races and ended up closing at the high of the day. Look at that daily. You can see there it went to 1327, $1.22 in our favor on 15 cents risk, and never, after the trigger, never in danger of stopping out at all. The trigger was basically right there. That was real nice for us. Let's see. Taser, I called as a bottom feeding play down here at 1463. It took me 2 tries. I tried it up here, failed. Called it again down here at 1463. I'm not averse to trying something when I know something has come a long way and it's down to support. I'm not averse to trying it more than once. And this, we did basically catch the low of the day here at the 1463 entry, and the stop was only 11 cents below, and it went to 1528 up in here. So actually a pretty nice move. It's hard to see it here because it made such a big down move. It's hard to see it, but it still moved 65 cents in our favor on 11 cents risk. DUK, B-Turk, one of our all-stars, one of the best bottom feeders I've ever seen. He called DUK right about here, 66.10 with a low of day stop. That little 2-minute doji candle was the low of the day. I'll switch to 5s now. And he basically picked it clean almost at the bottom. 6 cents risk. He called it a 66.10 with a 66.04 stop and went all the way to 66.91. 81 cent move in our favor on 6 cents risk. And he also did that with Walgreens. He called Walgreens at 56.12 right here and a low of day stop, which was only 13 cents below. And Walgreens made it up over 56.60. So couple of very nice bottom feeding calls by B-Turk as well. Overall, real nice day. We will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.